Hi everybody, here from beautiful downtown Jasper, Georgia with a few comments, a short, very brief lecture to help you prepare for Wednesday's assignment. Wednesday's role play will be due as usual. I do apologize, I haven't had a chance to grade last week's yet. I always grade those just before class so I can remember what I've seen, and I had to of course, unexpectedly go to Atlanta yesterday. So catching up on other things, though, the test results were pretty poor. Anytime 4 people forget it, and another person, another couple of people really, you can't make a kind of a 30 or a 15 without guessing at the answers. So, these are kind of free points, and while no single test is going to hurt you, if you don't pay attention to them, if you don't read the material, it'll eventually start adding up. Most of the people that make C's and D's and F's in my class are those people who don't take advantage of kind of the easy points. Okay, it's closed. And here's our next assignment. Each group will record and upload a role play video. So as we've been doing all along, one of you will be working with Accenture, one of you will be working with a company. In this particular case, it's going to be simpler for you if the company that you are selling to has a physical product. Because while there are other things we can talk about in channels and place product that do pertain to physical products, much of the content is associated with the physical product. So the first thing I do if one of your companies does sell a physical product, pick it as the buyer and select a seller to sell to them. And you have content here of all sorts. You have a video here, you have a PowerPoint, you have a document. There's lots of content. I did add a word here in the test, and also especially for those of you who don't have physical products, because partnerships is something Accenture does a lot of. In other words, as you're looking to for things to talk about, if you're talking about channels, obviously supply chain management, customer relationship management from the seller and the buyer side would be things that Accenture is going to be very big in. But they also do a lot of work with partnerships and helping people partner and help identify. So that would be something that you could explore. These development partnerships are also something that might be interesting for you to look at. Okay, so again, not a lot to talk about, plenty of content here, really looking more for your ability to dive deep into this. Back up first to what are the problems in the company, then how can Accenture help them, where we're helping with product issues. This week we are helping with channels, place, location, and partnerships. And that's about all I've got to say. Good luck to you. Email me or email me on Wednesday if you have any